Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, Page of Swords, the Sun, Three of Swords, guys. Taurus, with these cards, I feel you are heading towards a new beginning in your life, a new chapter. Maybe something new is coming into your life, maybe a new person, maybe you want something new, or even with your old person, even in your relationship, certain things are changing in such a way that it looks like a new relationship. Maybe you both are molding yourself, changing yourself in this relationship, or it may be a new person coming into your life, guys, and something is beginning, guys. Maybe this may concern your work. You may be starting something new in your work, or some kind of, you may be incorporating some new kind of principles in your work or something of that sort, guys. Or maybe some of you all may be getting some inheritance and some properties, and you may be moving to a different place. That may also be the energy here. And it is a very positive change, guys, for you all. What is happening today, it is very positive. With the Sun card, I feel you are having that confidence and you are feeling really lucky, and you have that contentment in your heart how things are going. Maybe for some of you all, you may be getting a new message from a person, some friend of yours. They may come with a message, some happy news, or they may come to talk about some problems or issues. Someone is coming in, they may be trying to solve some problems for you, pacify you both. Some common friend, this may be a common friend who is trying to solve some kind of distancing you had in your relationship with this person. They would have felt that the situation you are in just gives room for some kind of doubt, that you were seeing somebody else, or you would have had the doubt that they are with someone else, and you were in a confused state, both of you all, and you were parting your ways, maybe for some of you all. And maybe today someone is coming to pacify you both in this relationship, helping you both to understand the situation and getting back together, guys. That may also be the energy here, Taurus. So someone is helping you to get back together, guys. And this may be a common friend or someone from your family, something of that sort. Something is going towards a positive kind of energy here. So maybe there is no third party involved and you were in doubt about that, but today I feel you are voicing out your doubts and you are getting clarity because of that, guys. That may also be the energy here. This may not necessarily be a third party, but It may be some situation where you had some doubts and you were in some kind of distancing in your relationship. You felt some kind of isolation from your partner. That may also be the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. What is the energy with these cards? Let us see. Letter. Child. Lady. Fox. So just like the other cards, guys, even with these cards, you may feel that certain decisions of yours is totally immature, or your friend or somebody who's counseling you may point out that your decisions are immature and you have to think deeply before deciding about this person. Maybe this situation gave you an impression that there was a third party involved and this person was trying to cheat you. You would have had that feeling because you would have come across the similar situation. So you are thinking the same about that today, but that may not be totally true, guys. So you need to be, what to say, aware of what things are happening around you. You may feel betrayed and you may feel this person is a fraud and they're trying to cheat you. This may be your person, or this may be someone from your work or something of that sort, guys. And you may feel you are burdened with responsibilities and you feel really, what to say, sick and tired because of the responsibilities this relationship has, or it may be in your work. You may feel burdened because of certain what to say, responsibilities, or the work pressure, whatever it is, guys. So you are just you just want to get over all that, guys. So that may also be the energy here. And maybe this person of yours or a friend or somebody, they are coming with the good news, guys, something very important, or some kind of, they are communicating through some kind of email, something of that sort, guys. Maybe they are planning to call you and tell you what really happened. Maybe they will come out of it, guys. They will come out with the truth. That may also be the energy here. Some of them are trying to what to say, for some of you all, they may be trying to communicate with you, or your common friends, they may communicate what really happened in this particular situation or something like that, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Taurus. And you feel this person cheated you and they're not truthful enough, but with the energy from these cards, I feel they have that what to say, devotion towards you, and they have that what to say, they are this may be a destined connection also, something karmic, that this relationship has come into being. So that may also be the reason for meeting this person, guys. So you would have felt that you're suffering and you're tired and you feel really bad, cheated in this relationship, but things happen for a reason, guys. So maybe this is a karmic relationship here. So that may be the reason that this person is there in your life, or this may be the energy with your person. They may feel this way about this relationship, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. What is the angels guidance message today, guys? I'll be picking one card. Nurture your dreams. Taurus, with this card, the angel's guidance is that we need to dream big, and we should not limit ourselves with our conditionings, and with our what to say, with our own outlook. We should not think that we will not be able to achieve. So we should feel the faith in ourselves, to reach our fullest potential, to achieve whatever we dream for, guys. And sometimes we will have a strong gut feeling towards things. Deep in our heart of hearts, we will just know what to do in any situation and what we need to make ourselves happy. So you have to find that thing you love to do the most, and find your own place and purpose in this world, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today. So maybe for some of us, we may not be aware of what things we like and what we want to do, what we want to become, but sometimes we just have to be quiet and think within ourselves, and we will know what our heart aches for. For some of us it may be singing, for some of us it may be drawing, or some sports activities, hobbies, something we just love. Maybe not to just make money, but something that satisfies our heart, satisfies our yearning to be something. So something like that, guys, what we love to do. So we have to keep in touch with our heart's desires, and maybe when we do that, when we pursue those activities, it will just help us to grow emotionally and spiritually into a better person. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, Taurus. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.